Oh fuck, it's Godzilla!
Eh.
I'm fighting Godzilla, you
Oh god, oh god. What the fuck? These people are so strong. Hey, 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 hey.
Kill him! Kill Godzilla!
Oh god.
Bring him
What
down!
is that, man?
Yvonne, we're so close.
Oh, okay, well, I need help! Ow! This guy is so strong!
Oh, that's why I can't fight Shaco Disguise at all. Alright, Yvonne, we just need to be one of the partners.
Okay, well, if you see a Victor, let me know.
Okay. Go! Kylie, go to work! Kylie, don't skirt! Kylie got a job! Kylie got a fucking job!
Okay.
And it's beating your bitch ass! That's her job!
I'm making time, I'm making time! Oh my god, I made time, I made time! Oh my god, the Vex made time! Hey, Somi, stop it. Oh my god, we won!
Yes. Yes. You did great, Yvonne. You did great.
Oh my god, we got first, finally.